Ever wished you could peek at your WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing you've seen them? Today, we're diving into the art of reading WhatsApp messages discreetly, keeping those dreaded blue ticks at bay and giving you full control over your communication. Method 1. The classic airplane mode trick. Before you tap open that message, swipe down from the top of your screen to access your quick settings, find the airplane mode icon and toggle it on. Now, with airplane mode enabled, you can safely open WhatsApp and read your message. The sender will still see it as unread. Once you're done, close WhatsApp completely, go back to your quick settings and turn airplane mode off. The key here is to ensure WhatsApp is fully closed before you reconnect to your network. This prevents the read receipt from being sent. Method 2. Leveraging notifications. This is perfect for shorter messages. When you receive a new message, don't open the app. Instead, look at the notification preview that appears at the top of your screen. For many phones, you can even expand the notification to see more of the message content without actually entering the chat. Simply tap and hold, or swipe down on the notification itself. Some devices offer even more advanced ways to preview messages directly from the lock screen or notification shade, allowing a quick glance without triggering the blue ticks. Finally, the widget option. Head to your phone's home screen. If you have a WhatsApp widget enabled, you can often see message previews directly there. This gives you visibility into your messages without ever needing to open the app. These simple techniques empower you to stay informed on your own terms, read messages when you have the time and mental space to respond, and maintain that coveted sense of privacy in your digital life.